I told this as I1, this as I2. So if you take it as I3, you are indirectly increasing the number of unknowns, and so you are getting a junction equation I1 plus I3 is equal to I2. Otherwise, if somebody is taking here as I2 minus I1, then what will happen at this junction C? Incoming current I2, outgoing current I2 minus I1 and I1. So you will get I1 plus I2 minus I1 is equal to I2. What will happen, you see? I1 gets cancelled, I2 gets cancelled, no equation formed. Why it not working here? Because you are not taking the unknowns itself. You are distributing I2 only as I1 and I2 minus I1, no? So junction law will not work here. When will junction law work? If somebody is taking I3, then it will become I3 plus I2 is equal to I1. Yes, junction law is working here, but number of unknowns is also increasing from 2 to 3, and in this case it remains only 2, I1 and I2. Okay, I'll continue from here. So I hope everybody is clear with junction law. Anybody has any doubt in junction law? If anybody has any doubt in junction law, feel free to ask me, or else I'll go to loop law. Shall I go to loop law? Take the definition. All of you write down. Yes, please tell me, Pratap.
Sir, no equation is formed. How can we find the direction, sir?
You cannot find by that equation itself, man.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because junction law has failed, loop law can be used. We'll talk about loop law now.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So write the definition. For any loop, summation of all the potential drops, summation.
Repeat again, sir. Yes.
I said for any loop, summation means SUMMATION, summation, that's sigma. Summation of all the potential drops, and the EMFs drops and the EMF, summation of all the potential drops and EMF, drops and EMFs is always zero, You can write one more statement. It obeys law of conservation of energy. Or you can write it is a consequence of, whatever you want to write. It is a consequence of law of conservation of energy, or it obeys also is fine. It obeys law of conservation of energy. If a question comes, Kirchhoff's junction law is consequence of what? Law of conservation of charge. Kirchhoff's voltage law, law of conservation of energy. Okay. So what this law says, this is only where you will get confused, this is only where you may lose marks. So please be attentive now. So first thing, I want to take loops here. What is the meaning of loop? A closed loop. Here there are 3 loops possible. A student can take loop A, B, C, F, A. Can he take A, B, C, F, A? Possible, why not? Another student can take loop C, D, E, F, A. Can they take? This is also a loop, no? C, D, E, F, C actually. Why A I am writing? Always the starting and the ending will be same. Then only it is a loop. Or somebody can even take loop A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Why not? So there are 3 loops possible here. One loop is this one. One loop is this one, or the bigger one. Do you agree with me? All 3 loops are quite possible. Okay. First you understood what is the meaning of loop. Now, in any loop, what you should be careful about is 2 quantities. One quantity is the EMF, another quantity is the direction of current. Always have a habit, whichever order you have written here, like you have written A, B, C, F, A. Try to move in the same order, like this only you should also move. A to B, B to C, C to F, F to A. Because I have seen some students, they will write loop A, B, C, F, A, but how they will move? No, AF or FC, CB, BA, like that they will randomly take the values and they will lose marks. So always have a habit, if you are writing loop C, F, A, B, C, then move from C to F first, then F to A, then A to B, then B to C. Your wish. But whatever you are writing, move in the same way. I hope you are clear in this. Now, there are 2 possibilities. One possibility is your direction. Yellow line is what? Loop direction, okay? And the direction of the wire, that is a circuit, may be same. Possible? Like if I am going from A to B, loop direction and the I2 direction is same or not? Yes, obviously same. If this happens, then this IR should be taken as what? Positive. There is second possibility. Second possibility is if your direction is opposite to the current direction. This is also possible. If somebody would have taken loop F, C, B, A, F, they are not wrong, they are also right. But when they are going from B to A, my loop direction is like this and current is coming in the opposite direction. I will take minus I2 into 1. Are you getting my point? So, this IR will be taken as negative. So, here negative, here positive. Is this rule clear? Is this rule clear? Your direction and the current direction same, take IR as positive. Your direction, current direction, opposite, take IR as negative. This is about IR, potential drop. Second is about EMF. Now, EMF has 2 possibilities. Suppose the battery is like this. Loop direction, yellow is loop direction, okay? Loop direction. So, you are moving from negative towards positive terminal of a battery. Then, you must write E as positive. Or, if you are moving from positive to negative, you must write E as negative. But one thing I want to disclaim here, disclaimer is, I gave you net value of EMF is 0, and when you write the net EMF as 0, you are going to get summation of all the potential drop must be equal to summation of all the EMFs. Like how we got in junction law, summation of all the incoming current is equal to summation of all the outgoing current. Same way in a loop, always summation of all the potential drops will be equal to summation of all the EMFs. Okay? So, this rule has to be used if you are taking EMF on the right hand side and taking potential drop on the left hand side, or vice versa. If you are going to take on the same side and equate to 0, this will be not applicable. Maybe with example it will be clear. This may be looking a little awkward to you, but it will be clear when I give the example to you. Okay? Now, let me make you understand by taking the example. The example is in front of you. Let me take the equations now. Everybody be focused. I am telling you, you are learning something very complex if you don't understand it. Otherwise, it's very simple. Yes, Niranjan. Loop A, B, C, F, A. Help me in framing the equation. Tell me first term.
I2
Yes.
into 1
Very good. Positive or negative?
positive
Very good.
plus I2 into 2,
It's 20.
sorry 20 plus
Yeah.
I2 into 20
Plus 20 I2. Very good.
plus I1 into 1
1. Very good.
into I1 into 40.
Plus I1 into 40. Yes. Very good. Equals all the cells EMF, right? Now once again start from A to A and see the cells. Tell me. Good. Very good. You are going fine.
80
Plus 80 or minus 80?
plus 80
Very good.
plus 40.
Very good. You are perfectly correct. So what did he do, you understand? When he was moving in the loop, he used this law. I1, I2 into 1, same direction of loop. I2 into 420, same direction of loop. I1 into 1, same direction of loop. I1 into 40, same direction of loop. So he wrote everything positive. And when he was moving from A to B, he is moving from negative to positive, EMF positive. When he is moving from C to F, again negative to positive, EMF positive. So he added both. He is perfectly correct. Next I am going to ask to Lohit. Loop C, D, E, F, C. This is the loop direction. Think and tell me the equation. Step by step, don't panic. Yeah. Start from this thing. Very good. 30 times I2 minus I1. Yes, good. Be very careful. In FC branch, what is the current moving? I1 only is moving, no? So you should not take I2 minus I1 for that. No, yeah. In this branch, what is the current moving? I1. So you will take, and your direction and the loop direction are opposite, right? Current coming like this, you are going like this, minus 40 I1. So minus 40 I1. What about 1 I1? Minus I1 is equal to how much? Plus 45 or minus 45? Minus 45, because moving from positive to negative. Are you understanding how the equation is being formed? Slowly it will become clear, if not clear also. Next I am going to ask Varshita Shri. Unmute yourself. Loop A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Try. Yes.
I2
Yes.
plus 20 I2
Great.
minus 45, sorry,
Don't confuse yourself. See the loop. Loop is now A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Be very careful, Varshita. No problem. You may be wrong also, no issues. Give a try. Yes, proceed.
plus 30 I2 minus I1
Great. You are going very right. Proceed further. I don't think there are any more potential drops. So equal to what?
not sure.
Why not sure? Ivan, you want to try? Ivan?
80, sir.
Yes. Why positive 80? Because only one cell, that too moving from what to what? Negative to positive. Varshita, understanding? In this loop, which loop? A, B, C, D, E, F, A, only one cell is there. And this cell, we are moving from what to what direction? Negative to positive. So what I will take? Positive. That's why I am taking positive 80. Are you able to understand this, Varshita, and everybody else?
Yes, sir.
If yes, now I have got equations. See how to solve this Kirchhoff law question. Now I have got equation. Here I am having I1, I2. Here I am having I1, I2. No need of making the third equation itself. If some student is taking any two loops, he will have two equations, two unknowns. Solve, get the answer. That much you know, right? After this, what is the equation will be? This will become 21 I2 plus 41 I1 is equal to 125. One equation. This equation will become 30 I2 minus 30 I1 minus 40 I1. So minus 71 I1. Am I right? Is equal to minus 45. I have two equations. Use substitution method, elimination method, whatever you want to use your wish. But when you solve these two equations, you will be getting the answer of I1 and I2. Are you getting how to use Kirchhoff law? If I give 2-3 questions to you, you will get confidence in this. I hope it is clear. Theory is clear. I have taught a theory to you. Now, after this, practice only. If when we solve 3-4 questions today, then only you will get confidence in Kirchhoff law. Shall I give the question now? I'll give 2 minutes time to copy if you are copying something. Don't take more than 2 minutes. Then I'll give a question. 2 minutes time for copying the question, copying the board. Then I'll erase the board. Please make it fast. I'll give question after that.
Excuse me, sir.
Please ask me, Pratap.
For the second loop, it's minus 45 minus 38, sir.
For second loop,
It will be only minus 45, sir.
yes, minus 45 only will be there.
Yes, sir. Like it's hidden from here, sir.
Yes, minus 45 alone.
On left side is hidden. Yeah.
Okay, only it's only minus 45.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay. If you permit me, I will erase the board. Make it fast, please. Shall I? When I give a question, you should not discuss with each other. Do your own thing. You may take some other loop, your friend may take some other loop. Okay? But you may get the same answer. So don't try to see each other what they are doing. Take any loop as you want. Try to solve it. Okay? Shall I give the question now? Nikhil, shall I? Make it fast, please, Anshul. Thank you, Anshul. If somebody is yet to copy, you copy later from the video, okay? I am going to proceed further. First, I am giving a very simple question. I made intentionally 3 unknowns. Solve it. Give me the value of I1, I2 and I3. Resistance I have not given, right? 5, 2 and 3. 5 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm. Start solving fast. Take as you want loops. See what mistake you are doing. First of all, what is I1, I2, something you mentioned, no? Oh, I1 is there. So I1 into 5 will multiply, man. It is IR, isn't it? Check that mistake you are doing. One second, let me check how much you have done. You have taken F, A, B, E, F, right? So 5I1, good. Plus 2I3. 2 you have written, no? Okay. Equals 12, good. Then you have taken T, C, P, E, T. This direction you have taken. So 3I2 plus 2I3. Good. But there are 3 unknowns here. I1, I3, I2, I3. So by 2 you will not be able to get the 5. Okay. Try. Are you getting? You have 3 unknowns. So you need 3 equations for that. Try. Good. Show me your notebook, no man. Whatever you have done till now. Okay. Taken. Okay. F, A, B, E, F. 5I1 plus 2I3. Saw his note. Did by yourself, no? All of you are taking the same loop, that's why. Niranjan, pass your note. Loop name you are asking me to judge by myself, no?
Sir, I forgot right now.
Okay, please write it. In exam, they will cut marks for that. Pass it. See, loop can never end with the different alphabet. A, B, E, F, A should come. So, if you are moving A, B, E, F, A to B, nothing is there, B to E. So, first you should write 2I3. Good habit, it's not wrong. 2I3. Then here plus 5I1. This is also correct. Is equal to, who will write? What will write? Plus or minus? Yeah, because if you are moving from negative to positive, and negative to positive, I told it is positive. Good, it is correct. bigger loop you have taken. 5I1 minus 3I2. Yeah, correct. 12 minus 6. Why minus 12, Tambi? You are moving from F to A, right? That is, you have taken the loop. So when you are going from negative to positive, you should take positive EMF. So it will be plus 12. Change it. Again, you have taken B, C, D. This will be minus 3I2. Are you getting? Because current is coming like this, you are moving opposite direction. Check your convention. Some mistake is there. Show me. Right or wrong is secondary, man. See, what you are missing here is, you are taking I1. You have to multiply I1 with 5, man. So 5I1, and you are taking 5 separately. It is multiplication. Potential drop is I into R. So it will become 5I1, and then here you will have minus 3I2. You have first of all, ohm will not be mentioned here. Don't take all the ohms, and take it as I into R. That is I1 into 5, 3 into I2, 2 into I3. Like that you should rewrite the equations. Don't solve first. Verify whether it is right or not. Solving waste. If it is wrong, then everything became waste of time. No? Correct. Gone. No? B, C, D, E, B you took, right? Huh? When you move from C to E, whatever C to D, minus 3I2, you have taken plus 3I2. Gone. One second, I will come.
Sir,
Yes, Pratap.
I think I got the right answer, but I'm not sure, sir.
I will come 2 minutes when I will ask you. Everybody else solved?
Okay, sir.
Online people, I hope you have solved. We will check the answer now. The equations are correct. Sorry. You got the answer? Wait, let us check.
Can you tell me what I'm doing wrong? I keep getting zeros equals 0. Try solving.
Take some loop may be wrong. Take some new loop or take junction law. 0, no? So you use junction law here. Did you take any equation like I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 you took? You took junction law also you took? Mind that, it will help you. So those who got the answers, anybody who has got the answer, what are the values of I1? Pratap, you said something.
Sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please Pratap, tell me.
One second, sir.
Anybody else who got I1 value, I1, I2 and I3, you can tell me. Somebody is getting 6.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually not 6. I2 is 3 volts.
3 volts, I and volts, Mr. Pratap.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, I2 is 3
Amperes, man.
amperes, yes, sir.
Once again, I'll come to you. First, Yash Praveen, you got 6 amperes, minus 6 amperes and minus 9 ampere. Okay, yes, Pratap, what is your answer?
So my answer is I2 will be 3 ampere and I1 will be 7.5 ampere and I3 will be 10.5 ampere, sir.
Okay, anybody else? Third answer?
But I'm not sure, sir.
Okay, I am also not sure. I have to solve and check. And anybody else, any answer? Nobody else? Sai Akhilesh, got any answer? Why, man?
No, sir.
Why? Are you able to make the equations?
Yes, sir.
Give a try, don't give up.
Sir, but I got in fraction, sir.
Let it be fraction. Tell me your answers. Who knows your answer may be right.
Sir, but I have got 30 questions, sir.
Okay, what is the answer you are getting? Tell me the answer, Akhilesh.
48 by 31, sir. I1.
Okay. Wait. Krishna, what is your answer for I1?
I'm getting 3 amperes, sir.
I1 has 3 ampere.
Sir,
Anshul, yeah.
I also got 40 by 31 amperes.
Okay, so everybody is getting their own answers, right? Now let me solve. I have to solve, another option I have. I will solve now and you check what mistakes you have made. I'll try to take, I cannot take all their loops. You have taken different loops. But let us see whether answer comes or not. So I am taking loop A, B, E, F, A. Okay. So in that way I will be getting 2I3 plus 5I1 is equal to 12, one of my equations. I am going to take loop B, C, D, E, B. I am going to get minus 3I2 minus 2I3 is equal to minus 6.
Why minus 3?
Because I am going from C to D, no man. My loop direction is like this and current is opposite direction. Here also I am going like this, my current is opposite direction. So both have taken negative. And EMF also I am going from positive to negative. So negative. Are you getting a point? So in this way,
Sir.
tell me. Leah Varshini,
I-
yeah.
I want 1.55 ampere.
Answer you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Let us see the answer. Let us focus on equation solving now. For this one, what I have done. Because I am going A, B, E, F, A. I am going from negative to positive. How it will be negative? Are you getting my point, Yogit? Every small things are very important here. Now, if I want to write minus together, then I will write 3I2 plus 2I3 equal to 6. I have one equation, I have another equation. I can make third equation by junction law. By junction law, what I can make? I can make I1 plus I2 equals I3. So now what I am going to do, I will replace I1 here in terms of I2 and I3. Can I do that? Because I1 will become equal to I3 minus I2. If I substitute this here, then I am going to get 2I3 plus 5. Instead of I1 I am going to write I3 minus I2 is equal to 12. So 2I3, 5I2 is equal to 12. So it's going to be 8I3 minus 5I2 is equal to 12. If anything is going wrong, ask me. 7I3? Okay, that you are saying. 7 only. Sorry. Yeah, this kind of one small mistake can make everything to be blunder. 7I3 minus 5I2 is equal to 12, isn't it? I hope it is correct now. And one equation I have, which is 2I3 plus 3I2 is equal to 6. Now, I am going to multiply this equation with 2 and this equation with 7. So, I am going to get 14I3 minus 10I2 is equal to 24, and here I am going to get 14I3 plus 21I2 is equal to 42. Subtract both, minus. These two will get cancelled and you are going to get negative 31I2 is equal to negative 42, 20 goes 22, 22, 4 more goes 18. So, I2 must be 18 by 31. Anybody got this? I2 must be 18 by 31 ampere. Whatever answers you got, forget about it. This is the answer. You may say, sir, I have used some other loop. Anything you use, the answer cannot change.
18 by 31. Yes, sir.
You got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Good, Akhilesh. Correct. Let us check I1 how much it will come. I think you may be right also, because once I got I2 value, I am going to substitute I2 in any equation. I can substitute here, I will get I3. So it will become 3 times 18 by 31 plus 2I3 is equal to 6. So 2I3 is going to become 6 minus 54 by 31. So I3 will become equal to, what is 31 into 6? 186. So 186 minus 54 by 62. 2 comes down. What is this? Tension only. I3 is equal to 132 by 62. Cancel by 2, no? 31, 6 are 12, 66 by 31. So I am getting the value of I3 as 66 by 31. Akhilesh, you got this?
Yes, sir.
You got the value of I2, you got the value of I3. Now you cannot find I1. Put here I1 is equal to I3, which is how much? 66 by 31 minus what is I2? 18 by 31. How much will be that? How much will be that? 48 by 31 amperes. Got it? Any Kirchhoff law question, this is a basic question, simple question. Patiently you should solve. Form the equation. One small, I said no, I was making the 7. Thank you Kirti and whoever pointed me. If I will make this mistake, my whole hard work will be going in vain. Now you get why I am saying to competitive students, don't put your hand in Kirchhoff law if you are not very good in calculation. It will be very interesting for people who are very good in calculation. Otherwise, small mistake, minus plus mistake, 7 ke badla 8, 8 ke badla 5 will make everything to be wrong. I hope it is clear. I will give another question now to boost your confidence or demotivate you. Anything may happen. Shall I give a question? Any problem in this solving what I have solved? I have done only mathematics. Physics ends here. You wrote this, physics ended. What started after that? Basic mathematics
Just
started.
one doubt, sir.
Ask me Shaktivel, no problem, please.
Sir, in the second group you have taken that B, C, D, E business, sir.
Yes.
Can you also take it as B, E, D, C? Will the answer change or not?
It will not change, man. Let us take, as you are saying, loop B, E, D, C, B, right Shaktivel?
Yes, sir.
So B to E if I am going, it will become 2I3. D to C I am going, it will become 3I2 equals 6. What have I done here, you see? 3I2 plus 2I3 is equal to 6. Same, right, Shaktivel?
Okay, sir.
So if your loops are taken properly, directions are taken properly, you will get the same answer. Whatever loop you take. What about Yashwant? You got this answer? Some mistake in calculation you made. Gone. I think Sai Akhilesh got. Anybody else got the same answers as I got? Nobody got, right? That is the out of 43, 44 children, only one person is getting the same answer as me. You also got. Then okay, 2 persons are getting. Next question.
I got the value for I1 now.
Okay, fine. Then you are also getting. 3 are getting. Okay, I'll go to the next question. Shall I go? Shall I go to the next question? I hope this time majority of you will make the correct answer. Okay, please, 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 please. Next question. Okay, simple only, try. $10 volt, 4 volt, 13 volt, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm. A, B, C, D, E, F. I1, I2, I3. You may have a doubt here. How current can enter in this direction? It is positive. This doubt will be there, no? If I am not making that, then I1 comes, I2 comes, I3 comes. Is it possible? I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. See, one thing, those who are listening and in a mood to listen. In Kirchhoff law, whatever direction you want, you can take. Nobody is going to stop you. Suppose in this question, I take I1 here, I2 here, I3 here. You can take any direction, which is justifying your equations. If your answer of I comes positive, your assumed direction is correct. If your answer of I comes negative, your assumed direction is opposite. I told something very interesting. Those who understood, they understood. I will repeat once again. Whatever direction of loop you, the current you take, suppose I have assumed like I1, I2, I3 entering here. I may get the answer of I2 as negative and I3 also as negative. It means that I2 should be like this and I3 should be like this. Are you getting my point? I may get I1 as negative, I2 as positive, I3 as negative. It means I1 should be like this, I2 and I3 should be like this. So that totally depends upon what you get the results. Now solve this question fast. Patiently, with all your dedication, form the equations of loop and use junction law, because we have again I1, I2, I3, all three equations unknowns are there. Get the answer. Very similar question to the previous question. Solve it. Yeah, please.
I got I2 as negative value. When I substitute that value into something else, do I use a negative value?
Yes, obviously you should negative value only. If you got I2 as negative, use it as negative itself. Yeah, at the last you can conclude that I2, your assumed direction was wrong. Not in the middle, you change it. Yes, tell me, Devadarshan.
I1 is 3 ampere.
3 ampere.
So I2 is minus 3 ampere.
Okay.
And sir, I took different. Sir, 1 minute. Sorry.
Okay. No issues.
Sir, I1 is 0, sir.
I1 is 0, okay.
I3
Okay.
And I2 is 3 ampere.
Okay, so his answers are 330. You got the same thing. Good, it is correct. It means maybe. No. Try. Frame the equations correctly. Frame the equations correctly.
The same answer.
Okay. Varshita Shri. Good. Anybody else who got the same answer? 3 minus 3, 0 is the answer some people are getting. Yes, Mr. Nitish Raghav.
Sir, I1 is 0, sir. I2 and I3 are minus 3.
Both are minus 3. Not possible. No, not possible. Minus 3 and 0. Okay, let us check. You may be right also. Let us check. Anybody else? Any answers? Same or different? I'll help. Anyhow, last I am there. Same? Okay, let us check. Loop A, B, C, D, A. Right? All of you please check your equations. For loop A, B, C, D, A, I am going from B to C. The current is I1 in the branch. So, it will be 1 I1. So, I1. And D to A minus 2 I2 is equal to. From here when you getting it will be 10. Here it will be minus 4. Did you get the equation? I1 minus 2 I2 is equal to 6. Did you get this equation? Should have got. Next is loop A, D, E, F, A. From A to D if I am going 2 I2. From here if I am going plus I2 is equal to here 4, here minus 13. So I am going to get okay. 2 I2 plus I3 is equal to minus 9. How it came, you are asking? See, when you are going from here to here, you are going from negative to positive, so it is positive 4. When you are coming from this direction, you are going from positive to negative, so it will be negative. Now it is correct? Clear to you? Mistake is mistake. Okay. Then junction law says that I1 plus I2 is equal to I3, right? So I will put I3 as here, I1 plus I2. I am going to get 2 I2 plus I1 plus I2 is equal to minus 9. So I am going to get 3 I2 and here I am having plus I1 is equal to minus 9. So I have one equation here, another equation there. I will subtract both, that is all. So one equation is I1 minus 2 I2 is equal to 6. Here I have got I1 plus 3 I2 is equal to minus 9. Subtracting, this will become negative, negative, positive. So you are going to get 0. Here you are going to get minus 5 I2 and here you are going to get 15. So I2 will become equal to 15 by 5 is 3 minus 3 ampere. So I3 has come as minus 3 ampere. When I substitute I3 is I2. Okay. Yes, so we have got the value of I2 as minus 3 ampere. Then I am putting I2 there, I am going to get I1. I1 minus 2 times of minus 3 will become 6. So I1 plus 6 is equal to 6. So I1 is coming as 0. Are you getting the same answer? Great. I1, I2 we got. So obviously I1 plus I2 will be I3. So 0 plus minus 3. So I3 will be minus 3. If you got minus 3, 0, it is correct. I think somebody, Nitish Raghav, told the same answer.
Sir, I got the same answer as you.
Yes. You know what it means? Now please pay attention. What it means, you see, interesting. It means that the direction of I2 and I3 are assumed wrong. It means I2 should be in this direction and I3 should be in this direction, and literally there will be no current flowing in the branch. In reality, what will happen if you make this kind of circuit and keep a ammeter here, it will show no deflection because no current will enter here, and current will enter in this direction how much? 3 ampere, and in this direction how much will come? 3 ampere will come. Are you getting what is the meaning of this? That's how Kirchhoff law is used. So I said you don't worry about negative answers. Negative answer is just correcting your direction, nothing else. I hope most of you are bit comfortable in this topic now. Bit comfortable, at least something. Any problem?
Sir, while writing the answer, should we mention that we have taken the wrong direction?
Don't write wrong direction. You can mention that the direction of current, assumed direction of current is opposite to the real direction. Write that professionally. Scold yourself.
If we leave like this, also mark will be.
Depends upon teacher's mentality, man. If I am a teacher, I will give marks. If LMM is correcting, she may not give marks because she has taught in schools and also she has that strict correction maybe. She may not. I will give. I am some lenient person. Give. Pavam. Anyhow, not passing, little something will marks will come. So shall I proceed further? Shall I proceed further? One last question before I end today's class. Already the online people know 8:30 happens, they start leaving one by one. Okay, time up. For me, my time is over. You people are caught. No option you have. Okay. So I'll go to the next question. Next question, I will open the book and solve. Oh, book I opened, book got closed. Where, man? Closed, man. Power went, no? But there is in recent. So we can open it. Problem is coming down will take 1 decade. Yeah. Thank God. I came 2 down. Now will you try this question? Vishnu, I will tell after this here. Today not possible, I think. Yes. Please don't see the book answer. You may take a different loop. Book may have taken a different loop. Answer should come same. Please try by yourself. I hope diagram is visible to everybody. If you don't have book, find I1, I2 and I3. Luckily, every direction is given to you. Just you have to solve and get the answers. Question looks complicated, but actually it is not. Only the equation solving is the main part. Give a try. Fast. You can take this point as E also if you want. I am talking about this place where the cell is there. Why I am saying so? Because if you take this loop B, E, D, C, B, you should be able to represent by something. So that's why I am taking. You can take this E. How many unknowns are there? 3 unknowns. 3 equations you have to make. Make any 3 equations. There are so many loops possible here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many loops are possible here. Take any 3 loop of your choice. Please be careful while taking the sign and directions. More than the answer, write the equations and get a check from me once before you proceed. Or I will do on the board itself the equations. Shall I recommend some loops? Because all of you will take different loops and different equations will be there. I will write some loop. You may take or you may not take, no, not a compulsion. Loop A, B, C, A. One loop I want you to take. take loop A, C, D, A and take another loop, I'm writing it here, loop B, E, D, C, B. I recommend to take these 3 loops, not because I know the answers, but if I am a student, I will take that loops.
So I have taken that one, sir.
Good, Mr. Pratap, your thinking and my thinking are matching. Okay. Now I will give 2 minutes of time, not more than that, to make the equations. I will write on the board and you will check yourself whether your equations are matching with my equations or not. This Saturday you have what class? Math class? Maths practice class. Friday you have chemistry class. Please, equations are ready. Equations I have written.
But in one equation having all 3 variables.
What? Let it be there. What is the problem in that?
Then how will I
Yes, sir, that's how it's coming.
Yes, sir.
All the 3 variables in the same equation.
Then another equation having only 2 variables.
2 equations are 2 variables only, no?
Sir, no sir. One equation has 3 variables. The other equation has 2 variables.
And the third equation has? 2. It will give some idea to you. See, if I am taking this thing, you would have got I1, I2, I3 all unknown, right? If you take this, you will get all I1, I2, I3. Then what you are speaking?
Sir, I took A, B, C, A.
Huh?
And, B, C, D, E, B.
Okay. There you will have only I2, I3. Here you will have I1, I2, I1 and I2 you will have in this. I3 also is there, no?
I3, yes, sir. All 3 will come.
All 3 will come here and 2 are coming here. Yeah, and see in this. He is talking about this loop here, B, E, D. Down direction, this one. What is 2 ohm? Okay. Shall I write the equation now? Will you check your answers? Answers means the equations. Check what you did, it is right or wrong. I'll help you also parallelly. Please, shall I? A, B, C, A. A to B if you go, can I write 4I2? B to C if I am going, plus 2 I2 plus I3. And when I am going from C to A, plus I1 equals, only one cell is there, I am going from negative to positive, 10. If everybody has got the same equation, be happy. Okay? So it will become I1 plus 6I2 plus 2I3 equals 10. One equation is this. I believe everybody has got this. A, C, D, A. When I am going from A to C, negative I1. When I am going from C to D, positive 2 times of I2 plus I3 minus I1. When I am going from D to A, negative 4 I1 minus I2 equals minus 10. If I solve it further, negative I1 plus 2I2 plus 2I3 plus minus 2I1 minus 4I1 plus 4I2 is equal to minus 10. I1 I am getting as minus 6 I1. I2 I am getting as plus 6 I2. and I3 I am getting as plus 2 I3.
Sir, I1 is minus 7 I1, sir.
Minus
Yeah,
minus
we have the
7
first
I
one, sir.
Yes, 7 is there. Good, thank you.
Sir, and I also took the loop in the direction of the current itself, so I'm giving a positive value, sir.
Yeah, you can get, no problem in that. So
I
you will
completed, sir.
you will be getting 7 I1 minus 6 I2 minus 2 I3 is equal to 10.
Equal to 10.
Yeah, same only. Yeah. Any problem? Anybody has any problem? Third loop, BEDCB, easy loop. Nothing is there in this, only these two directions.
2I2 plus 4I3.
Plus or minus, Dambi? How plus, man?
Sir, for negative to
D to C I am going, no? Hey, IR only, no? Current direction, your direction. So minus 2 times of I2 plus I3 minus I1 minus 2 times of I2 plus I3 equals minus 5. Then if you solve this, minus 2 will become minus 4 I2, minus 2 and minus 2 will become minus 4 I3, minus 1 will become plus. So plus 2 I1 is equal to minus 5. If you rearrange, you will get 2 I1. That is, why to rearrange? Leave. Why to take tension? If you got these three equations, then you are going to get the correct answer finally.
Sir, I got the answer.
Got the answer itself.
Yes, sir.
Is it matching with the book? You have the book with you?
Actually, I am not having it right now besides me, sir.
Okay, fine. I will show the answer also. But all of you have got these equations. Anybody has any doubt in forming this equation? Shall I show the answers to you? After that, it became math question now. Unknowns I1, I2, I3, unknowns I1, I2, I3, unknowns I1, I2, I3. But why who was saying that I1 is not there in that? Mr. Yogit? I1 you forgot.
that last one made this.
But now it's clear, no? So I1, I2, I3 is there in all the three equations. Three equations, three unknowns, patience. Because you are not going to get the answer easily. Remember that, I am telling now to you. With a lot of struggle, when you solve, you will get the answer. Please.
Sir, in the last loop BEDCB, won't we include that I3 and I3? 2 I3.
Yeah, but there is no resistance, no. What is the problem? If they would have given some resistance set, then only we should take tension. Got it? So, shall I show the answers to you now? Huh. Loop? Huh. You can take. Shall I check with you?
What is the value of VC for ABCD?
0. If there is no EMF, is equal to 0. Okay. Got it? If I click this button, it will go. Shall I? So, if you solve correctly, the answer should come like this, Mr. Pratap. Check whether you are getting the answer or not. Answer is 2.5 ampere, 5 by 8 ampere and 15 by 8 ampere.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Very good then, correct. I don't want to verify, man. Fine, I believe you, man. You just told I got means I believe you. So all of you, question may look complex, question may trouble you by making you afraid. But if you are understanding Kirchhoff's law well, then you can easily solve any question. Now I'll tell one thing before I close, 2 minutes, last 2 minutes, I'll close the class. Before that, one small question. I told in the beginning today that by today's class, this will look simple to you. I said no. Again, this question looks very complex. So many resistances are there. But there is one logic behind this. See, current 3I is coming inside. Okay? It will have 3 paths. I entered. Then in this path, there are 2 options. So it will divide equally. See, why it is dividing equally? All resistances are same. If all the resistances would have been different, what will happen? It will divide the current accordingly. where more resistance, less current will go, less resistance, more current will go. But in the question they would have told identical resistance. See how the question is, they have told a battery of 10 volt and negligible internal resistance is connected across a diagonally opposite corners of a cubical network consisting of 12 resistors, each of resistance 1 ohm. So everything is having same resistance, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm. They are asking, determine the equivalent resistance of network and the current along each edge of the cube. Two things they are asking to find, R equivalent, what they are asking to find, current in each branch, here, here, here. But see, now if I make you understand, 10 volt battery was there, in that 3I current is coming. See, the same question has come in competitive exam also. They will not mention the value of current, you should assume by yourself. There are two things you can do. If current is not given and somebody takes the current as I, then they have to split like I by 3, I by 3, I by 3. So common sense says that if you don't want it to have more fractions and all these tensions, I will take 3I and I will split I. It's up to me how much I am taking. I can take 9I also. I will put 3I. I is unknown, right? If it is unknown, you can take any value as you want. Are you getting what I am trying to say? So since they have assumed 3I because it will become I and I. Now this I goes and reaches this point. Now it has two splits, I by 2, I by 2. This I has gone here, I by 2, I by 2. This I has gone here, I by 2, I by 2. Then once again, this at this section you see, I by 2 came from here, I by 2 came from here, they will combine, they will become I. I by 2 came from here, I by 2 came from here, it will become I. I by 2 came from here, I by 2 came from here, it will become I. So once again, I, it will become 3I and it will come back. So 3I is splitting as I, becoming I by 2, 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 once again I and coming out. Are you getting the network formation? It's very simple. If somebody would have taken I by 3, I by 3, I by 3, then I by 6, 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 once again I by 3, I by 3, I by 3, and why 3I? I. At the end I only, no, because we have taken I. Got my point? So it's completely your intelligence, your smartness, whether you're going to take 3I here or I here. Again I am repeating, it's not a compulsion you should take 3I only. And in the exam, don't expect they will give 3I to you. They may give just I also. Is it clear first how the current is dividing? Now, you see what is going to happen. Once you see that the current is going to get divided like this, I, and all the current is going to get added by, it is going to become 3I. Now, current is known to you in variable terms, 3I, and you have the value of EMF as 10 volt. So I know that I is equal to V by R. So I can write 3I is equal to 10 by R equivalent. Am I right? I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. And then if I am telling you about R equivalent, now you think what can be the value of R for each thing. So how will you solve that? Can I take this loop, see this loop, Kirchhoff I am going to use, the outermost loop. I will draw it for you here, for you to understand. I am taking this loop. One loop is there. Loop is there. Equation will become, so from here, I into R plus I by 2 into R plus I into R is equal to 10. No other resistance is there. I am writing for you. I into R plus I by 2 into R plus I into R becomes 10. Anybody has any problem in this? I hope there is no problem. Sure, no? So what will happen here? IR plus IR will become 2 IR and 2 IR, 0.5 IR. So it will become 2.5 IR is equal to 10. So IR will become equal to 4. In this question, have they given the value of Remember this IR is equal to 4. Anybody has doubt in this? How IR became 4, anybody has doubt in this? No, right? Everybody understands this? Very basic thing. If IR has become 4, let me read the question once again. Yes, they have given the value of resistance as 1 ohm. I into, I hope you are understanding my question. So this question, even though it looks very complicated, but actually it is very simple question. Only thing is you should understand how the current gets divided. Don't worry, next class we will talk little bit more about Kirchhoff law, and then we will get into Wheatstone bridge. Moreover, please pay attention, moreover, in the next practice class, I will give you at least 7-8 questions from Kirchhoff law. Solve it honestly by yourself. I believe by next Wednesday you will be getting more confidence in this chapter, this topic. It may look little difficult to you now, but it is because of less practice, lack of practice. The more you practice, the better you become. Okay? So we'll wind up the class now. We'll meet again. The boys can move first without hitting the camera, then girls will move next.